Good morning, fifth grade. Before I go into your math assignment for today, let me just talk to you for a second about how you can ask questions today because I know today's a little different. Your chat has been turned off. So before you were able to chat us with questions, now you can't just reach us directly unless you know how to get to your email. If you know how to get to your email, that's wonderful. You may use that. If you don't know how to get to your email, though, you're going to want to go into Teams, and I'm in the science team right now just because I've already posted the assignment. And then go to reply. And then you can ask your question right there. Now, it will not give us a notification. It won't give me and Mrs. Everett a notification unless you tag us. You need to hit the @ sign and then start typing our name. And you'll probably need our first name. So my name is Kaylin, K-A-Y. It should come up as soon as you type in K-A-Y for Mrs. Everett. Start typing in Stephanie, and then her name will come up. So I hope that works. As long as you tag us, we'll get the notifications. We will try to stay on it. So if you forget to tag us, we can still see it, but it might take us a little bit longer than normal because it's not going to come like right to our phone or right to our computer. So if we're working on something else, we may not, or not on that screen, we may miss it. So just be patient with us. We're not giving you anything super hard today, so you should be okay. All right, for math, we've been working on division, and I can't really move on because I need to teach something new today, and I don't want to do that online, so we're going to push everything back. But I found an iExcel that I think we could really use practice with, and I think will help us. So it's dealing with remainders, essentially. So it's division, but we're only dividing by one-digit numbers, and then figuring out what the heck to do with your remainder. So we have 357 chairs set up in the gym for an assembly. After the assembly, all the chairs will be put away on racks that hold 6 chairs. How many chairs will be on the final rack? So now we need to divide. So 6 goes into 35 5 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 35 minus 30 is 5. I bring down the 7. 6 goes into 57 9 times. 6 times 9 is 54. I'm running out of space. 57 minus 54 is 3. So now I have remainder 3. It says how many chairs will be on the final rack. So the very last rack, they're going to have 59 that are full, and then we have 3 extra chairs. So it's going to have 3 on that very last rack. So it's just really thinking about what it wants you to do with that remainder. So make sure you are reading the questions carefully. You all know how to divide, but this is taking it a step further and thinking about, do you need to leave it as a fraction? Is your answer the remainder, or is your answer rounding your quotient? I'll do one more with you. This one says, Mr. Hoover has 46 rubber stamps. He wants to give the same number of stamps to each of his 9 students. If he gives away as many stamps as he can, how many stamps will he be left over? We know that if he's asking how many will be left over, our answer is going to be just whatever the remainder is. So we have 46. Divide that by 9. 9 goes into 46 5 times. That's 45. So my remainder is 1. So he would have 1 stamp left over. If you have any questions today, please let me know. I will be available and at school all day. So please let me know. And remember, the end of the grading period is Friday. So if this is not done by Friday, it's a 0. So make sure this gets done. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.